In a few minutes, I'll show you how this premium refund script works. This is how the homepage looks. This script is best for fund recovery. As you can see, every other information available in this website is about fund recovery, and everything is real life, as you can see right here. There is the admin dashboard, which is /admin, and there is also the user dashboard. In this video, I'm going to quickly go through the admin and user dashboard, and after that I'm going to show you how to install this script. So stick to the end of this video, like this video and subscribe. Before I log into the user dashboard, I will log into the admin quickly. From the admin dashboard, I'm going to quickly locate a case ID and I'm going to track it from the main website. I've just copied that. Now right clicking and copying is disabled in this website. I'm gonna paste in the case ID. I'm gonna click on track. So this is how you can track your case. So if you have any refund case, there is ability for you to track your case. And now here is the case. You can see the progress submitted, in review, investigating, local action, and recovered. Now let me head back to the admin dashboard, and quickly I'm going to go through the admin dashboard section by section. As you can see, the admin dashboard is being arranged by sections. There's the management section, there's the admin section, the settings section, insights section, there is the account section, the system section as well. So first, let's start from the admin section. So if you click here, you're going to see all the admin accounts that exist on the website. So you can have more than one admin, and you can also have more than one super admin. You can just go ahead and create an admin account right here and then assign a role to it. So for the roles, we have super admin, case manager, finance, and viewer. Do that and click on create admin account. Also, you have the branding and logo option from the admin section. Over here, you can control the site name as well as the logos. Now let's move over to the settings section. Over the settings section, let's go to the crypto and stages. And over here, we have an option to set the admin crypto wallets as well as activate any of them. So for the BTC, you can edit the wallet address right here. You can choose to activate or deactivate it right here, as well as the ETH, the USDT TRC20, USDT ERC20. For every change that you make, you click on save changes. Also for the payment stages, you have 4 stages right here. You can disable or enable any of them. So for the first, you have the evaluation fee, the investigation fee, the legal filing, and the success fee right here. So you can enable all of them at once. You can as well disable all of them at once, as you wish. Now let's go over to the email settings. So this is for the email SMTP settings. Over here, just go ahead and enter your SMTP server configuration. I'll teach you how to get that when I start installing the script. You can as well send the test email to check if your SMTP configuration is working. And over here, you have the deliverability settings, or the whole records that you need to set up. And over here, we have the compose and send email page. If you also want to send email campaigns from within the website, you have this option to do that. As well as the auto emails. If you also want to set up automatic emails, as you can see, I have 4 set up already. You can enable, delete any of them, disable any of them, or even create more. And also for the FAQ appears on the homepage of the website. So you can set up any FAQ that you want, delete anyone, edit anyone as much as you want. From there, let's go over to the insights section. Let's click on the analytics. Here you can have an overview of your website. All the statistics of your website lives right here. And let's move on to the audit log. Right here you'll be having the log for your audits. Over here is the agent performance. This will show you an overview of the performance of your agents. Then the agents, you can create them from the management section, so we'll get to that in about a minute. So scrolling all the way down, you have your profile, and that's all we have for this section. So let's move over to the main section, which is the management section. As you can see, we left it for the last. Now for the management section, we have the all request right here. Now all the cases that your visitors will be filing will be buckling up right here. Now we have the support inbox. We're going to go through this in about a minute. So we have all the inboxes. As a super admin, you have the privilege to see all the entire inboxes in the system. And whichever inbox that you click in, you're going to see the agent that is handling it. You can as well respond to the inbox as the admin, or you have an option to switch to an agent as the super admin. And you still have the ability to switch among inboxes, just like I'm doing right here. Now from here, let's click on the clients. From here, you're going to see all the clients that has been filing cases on your system. Now from here, we have this agents section. This agent section is going to show you the overview of all the agents that you have on the system, and you can as well create more. So this is the page where you can create more agents, you can delete agents, you can edit agents information also. Now we have the verifications next. Every user needs to be verified. Now whenever they file a verification, you're going to see it right here. You have an option to approve or to reject their verification request. You have the tags, you have the notifications, and you have the success stories. Here are the success stories. For the success stories, you can generate dummy success stories that looks like real life. Now you have an option to generate 10 more. You can as well increase that. You generate in sets of 10s. Over here we have total review of success stories, 29 visible, and we have total received right here. So if I click on generate batch, it's going to automatically generate this. Now you can see all the success stories that we have right here. You can read any of them, you can edit, you can delete any of them that you don't like, and everything is automatic. For me to generate more, let me leave it at 10 and click on generate batch. And now you see successful, and we have 39 right here, and the amount has also increased. So if you scroll the way down, you're still going to see that it has increased right over here. Now if you also want to clear in bulk, you can select right here and click on clear and regenerate all, or as well you can click on delete. So whichever numbers that you select right here, you click on delete, it's going to delete. Whichever number you select right here, clear and regenerate, of course it's going to regenerate them afresh. And as an option also, you can import bulk stories right here. Just click on import CSV, select the file, and of course it's going to import all the bulk stories right here. Now let's head back to the home page, and that's all we need to go through the admin section. Now let me quickly log into the user section. Now I'm going to click on login from the main website. I'll go ahead and log in quickly. Here is the user dashboard. Now the total cases for this user is 1, recovered is 0, so on and so forth. And now you have a preview of the cases right here, and this is the particular one case that is available for this user. Now to create a new case, you can scroll all the way down and you can click on new case. Now if you click on new case, it's going to take you back to the home page of the website, to this form section right here. You're going to enter your name, your phone number, select the type of case. As you can see the options right here. You can also select others and then click on contact us now. After that, a new case is going to be created for you. In fact, let me do that in this video. And then I'm going to click on contact us now. And now you can see request submitted, and here is now the reference number or the tracking number for the case. So if I head over to the admin dashboard and I'll go back to all requests, and now you can see that the request has been added by 1, and you can see the new request right here by Jasmine. I'm going to go ahead and copy the number, copy that, and over here I can click on track my case, and from here I'm going to enter the number, and then of course you can see the case tracking page right here. Of course you have the make a payment option or contact our team option. If you want to click on the make a payment option, I'll click on that, and here you can make the payment for the first stage. You have an option to switch among the cryptocurrencies available for you, and then all you need to do is to copy the wallet address, or you can take a scan of this and make the payment. And then after that, go ahead and upload your payment proof and click on I've sent this amount, and then the admin is going to receive that and confirm your payment. So let's head back to the dashboard, and that is how you can track your case as well as make payment. Now we have 2 cases open. Now let me show you one more thing that is very interesting about this premium script. Now you can see for this first case, there is an agent already assigned to it, which is the Priya Nair. But for the second case right here, there is no agent attached to it. Since this already has an agent, it says chat with Priya. Now let's go ahead and add an agent to this second case right here. From the admin section, I will head to the all request. Of course, I'm already there, and you can see the particular request that I want to assign an agent to. Now if you click on details right here, you're going to see the details of the case. You can click on this drop down and select an agent. Let's say the agent for this one is going to be James, and then I can click on assign. And with that, James has been assigned as the case agent for this particular case. And if I head back to the user dashboard and make a quick reload, you're going to see that James has already been assigned to this case. And now it's a progress. So the user can now click on chat with James or chat with any other particular agent, and then they can chat. Let's say hello James, And one good thing is that the chat appears in real time, which means it uses live socket. Now if I click on send, you can see that the hello James has been sent without the page reloading. And let me head back to the admin. Because I actually don't want to log into all the agent accounts to be able to reply to this, I'm going to go to support inbox. I can also, since I am the super admin, I can also respond from the super admin account. Now you have the new inbox right here. If I click on that, and then you can see hello James. Now I have an option to act as myself, which is the super admin right here, or I can as well act as James over here. So I can click on James to select James, and over here you can see sending as agent James this, and then I can make a response, hello, and then I can of course send. Now if I head back to this, and then you can see I already have the message right here without reloading my tab, and then of course I can still make a response. Send that, it's sent. If I head back to the next tab, you can see I have the message already live. So that is how awesome the messaging system of this script is. I can as well send attachments, you can see right here. So let me quickly select an attachment. So that's an attachment that I've selected right there. I'm going to click on send, and yeah, it's sent, just the WordPress logo. And if I come over here, yes, the user has it already. With this particular feature, you can seamlessly communicate with the particular client directly from the system, and that makes it very much easy. For the documents, over here, they can upload their document for references, as well as the payments. They can view the payment history that they have made. If you need the script, check the description of this video and contact me. So now let me show you how to install this wonderful script in just 5 minutes. To install this script, you need just a domain name and a basic shared cPanel hosting. To get yours, you can check out HostCreed. They are trusted and very much reliable to host your website with no complaints. With that said, I'll head back to my cPanel and I'll click on domains. From this page, you need to click on the public_HTML. But for me, I'm using an add-on domain, so I'm going to click on the add-on domain right here. From your public_HTML, it will be probably empty. Click on upload. When you click on upload, go ahead and drag in the script file that you got from me. For the second time, if you need the script, I will leave my contact details in the description of this video. From this page, click on select file and go ahead and select the file from your PC. Or you can as well drag and drop the file and make sure that it turns green after uploading. After that, go ahead and click on go back. When you have the script file uploaded, go ahead and right click on that and click extract, and click extract again. And of course, I'll click on close. Now I have the extracted contents from this particular zip file that I just uploaded. Next, we need to create a database. I'll head to my cPanel home and I'll scroll all the way to the databases section and I'll click on the database wizard. I'm going to enter the name of my database. Click on next. And now I'm also going to enter the name of the database user. I love to use the same thing that I used for the database, and here I will enter the password. And of course, I click on create user. And now I need to grant the user all the privileges to manage the database. To grant all at once, I'll click on all privileges right here. Scroll all the way down and click on make changes. And now I need to copy just one of these. Since the database name and the database user is the same thing, so I'll go ahead and copy one of them. I head back to my file manager and I'm going to click on the includes directory. Open up the include directory and right click on the config.php and click on edit. From this section, we need to enter the database information. This one says the database user. I'm going to replace that with this. This as well says the database name. I'm going to replace that with this as well. And over here it says from the email. So let me quickly show you how to create a domain email. Let's head back to the cPanel. From the cPanel home, click on the email account from the email section. Over here you have the option to click on create. From here, go ahead and create an email. You can enter the username right here, enter the email password and click on create. After that, your email is going to be created for you. Let me go back. So after creating your email, go back and click on connect devices. And here you have the SMTP information. Over here, I'm going to copy this username. I'll come over here. That's the from email. I'll go ahead and paste that. They are already the same thing. So just go ahead and paste in your from name, your admin email. And from the section below, also enter your SMTP host. Let me show you how to get your SMTP host. From this page, you're going to see the outgoing server information. The outgoing server means your SMTP host because you need to be sending emails out of the server. Now you check your cPanel and get any link that is provided for you right here. Copy the link, go ahead and paste it right here as the SMTP host. The SMTP port is going to be 465. You don't need to do anything there, as well as the SMTP Secure Protocol SSL. The SMTP user as well is going to be the email account. So go ahead and enter your own email account and click on Save Changes. After you have done that, go back to your cPanel. And now we need to import the SQL schema file. Scroll to the database section and click on the phpMyAdmin. If you purchase this file, I will make the SQL schema file available to you as well. You need to click on the particular database right here and click on Import. Now you need to select from your device the particular database file. I'll quickly select that. When I have that selected, I'll scroll the way down and click on Import. Now the SQL schema file has been imported successfully and you have all the database tables right here. I'm going to first click on the database name to show me the tables right over this section of the window. And then I'm going to click on the admin users. Here I can see the only user that exists on the website. I'm going to click on edit. Now let me quickly show you how you can edit the admin password. Now I have this password section, and from this drop down I'm going to click on that, scroll all the way down and select the last option, password_hash parentheses. I'm going to select that, and of course I'm going to remove every entire thing right here. Remove that, and I'm going to type in my own password. After that, scroll all the way down. You can as well change the admin name. You can change the admin email. Most of the times I like to name the admin for the demos like this. You can change that, or you can still leave it the same way it is. You can scroll all the way down and then click on go. Now we have the script connected to the database, and now over here also we have the database schema file imported from the phpMyAdmin. Now the website should be up and running. Now let's quickly open up a new tab and open the website. And here we have it, the website is up and running. Now this is how you can easily install this premium refund PHP script in just 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the website is still intact, everything is intact. You can locate the admin dashboard from /admin right here. So like I said before, if you need this video, I will leave my contact details in the description of this video. Message me on Telegram and you can have this script file. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.